So binary flags. So binary would simply mean what type of data should we use? Boolean. So a flag is something where you test for a condition and you directly use that value in an if or else if. So we need a bool data type. I'm going to do a very simple case and then we'll do a short activity. Let's see if you can do it. So I'm going to call this bool check flag. I'm going to set that to be true. So the flag is set to be true, and I'm going to test or use a condition if check flag, then give me a creative sentence. Read class announcements regularly. Otherwise, well, which means you read, so good job keeping up with the class. Getting rid of the set brackets because we're dealing with one-liners, and return 32. I just have to return an integer. So the flag is always true, so it just gives me the output read class announcements regularly. If the flag is false, then it's going to go to the next condition. Now, when we define flags, flags are always Boolean. In other words, true versus false.